Oh, yes. What are we after today? I told you we're going to be having fun all week long with these 5 off 25s. We're going to do a scenario a day, guys, for 5 days. That's going to save us $25 off the top, not to mention all of our other savings. And you want to know what we're going for today, so like and share the video on your way. It's going to save you tons of money and all your friends you share it to. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, and you're here, you want to save money, and I bet you like saving it every day. Well, we give you a deal every day. So go ahead and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are on and it says all, and that way you won't miss any of our deals, or our awesome information, or our field trips, our prayers. Yeah, you won't miss any of that. So go ahead and subscribe now, and you won't forget. And we won't forget you. And please and thank you, everybody. Let the video play all the way to the end. It's so important, even if you got to turn down the sound. As well as leave me that comment. I want to know what's on your mind. Okay, do you like the store trips? Do you like the store trips more than you like the ads that we do, or the handwritten, let's just call the regular videos that we get usually with the ads and the coupons, ad videos? Do you like those? Do you like them both? Which one do you like more? I want to know. Alrighty. And last but not least, YouTube wants us to have 1,000 views, guys. So I'm claiming it. Hallelujah. We're getting 1,000 views this video, and every video that comes forth afterwards. Help me, guys. Stand in agreement with me. We are crazy friends, and we're going to get 1,000 views. So please and thank you for sharing it. Ask your friends to just pass it on. If they don't want to look at it, that's fine. Just pass it on. I truly appreciate them doing that for me. Now, I think we've covered all the YouTube business. That should make them happy. Now it's time to make you happy by saving you some money. So we're going to go in the store, and we're going to go to the pet department, because we've got some coupons, some new coupons that posted, and a couple of older coupons that you might have forgotten about. And, well, it's such a good deal, we need to use them. Especially since we have this extra 5 off 25s. Alright, we still have the Tidy Cat litter coupon. Okay, making this $5.75, because it's on sale for $7.75 right now. So you're saving $3 on this right here. So I think we may pick this up. I had a couple of different deals in mind, guys, and the reason why is we've got a really big coupon. Well, that takes care of that. We got a $5.50 off when you purchase 2 of the kitten chow. Let's see, do we have it? Do we have it? Oh, yes. We also have a $5 off when you purchase 2 of these. So we're going to purchase 2 of these, guys. So this is $15. You got $5 coming off, which leaves you $10, which means you'll be paying $5 a bag for these right here. Let me do a price comparison real quick and see, since we're spending $10, do we have a bigger bag of puppy chow? Okay, it looks like the dog chow, which was $13.95 on sale, is all sold out. I think there's a $1 coupon on that. Alright guys, store's getting really full. A lot of noise going on. But we're going to go ahead and talk about our Purex deal while we're here. Now, I know we had a lot of requests for food deals. The next video is going to be food deals. So make sure you watch. There's several scenarios and lots of ways to save on food. And 4th of July is right around the corner. You may need this, okay? Now, let's talk about what we can do for this for sale deal. Your Snuggles on sale, 2 for $7.50. You have got a 75-cent earn on one bottle and a $1.25 coupon on another. That's $2 off. So you'll be getting 2 of the Snuggle for $5.50. Okay? Now that's a deal by itself. But you're going to pick up 2 of those. Matter of fact, wow. Out of pocket for this is also exceptional. We might just have to do this deal too real quick. I'm going to have to go through it. We might even change up what we have in our buggy versus for sale. We'll see in just a minute. Okay? We will see if we switch up. Because I can always use my Persil and I can always use this. So, let's see. 2. Let's go with the Morning Breeze. Yeah, let's go with the Morning Breeze. So 2 for $7.50. I'm assuming this is 2 for $7.50. We're already at $15. And so let's go down here and pick up the Persil. And the Persil gives you a 50-cent earn. Yeah, the Persil gives you a 50-cent earn. So let's see what we got coming off of here. All total, because a lot of this is earns, we've got 4, 5, 6, 50, and 5. So $11.50 off of a $20 purchase is $9 and change out of pocket. You know what? I think this is going to be our deal. Right here. I can come back and get dog food later, but I think I'm going to go for this deal. I still want my Famous Amos, because I can use my earns from this deal to help pay for this deal. That's right. I can use my 1, 2, 4, 6, 75. Oh no, 6, 725. My 725 earns I'll get out of this transaction toward this transaction tomorrow or Saturday or whatever day I want to come back and use it. So we're going to do this deal first, and we're going to collect some earns to come back and spend on this deal. Creative couponing. Sometimes I just got to walk around in the store and let things click. You know, especially when you just get off from work. This is a way to come down from that. So, I think we have to go $5 over. So, I'll do the math and see exactly what we need. If we need something else, I'll grab something else. In the meantime, we're going to be putting back the puppy chow in the kitty litter, and we'll be getting that at a later day. Okay guys, phone's going dead, so we're going to have to be quick about it. This is our final deal. This is the deal that I'm going for today, and I'm going to use my earns to pay for the things that you've seen earlier in the buggy. Okay? I'm picking up the Persil 2 Snuggle fabric softeners, 2 Snuggle beads. Okay? That's going to give me my 5 off of 20, It's going to give me my 50-cent earn. It's going to give me a 75-cent earn, a $1.25 off, and $2 earn and $2 earn. My Famous Amos cookies are on sale, 2 for $6.50. I get a $1 earn off of each one of those. And I needed some kitchen cleaner, so I went to the dollar aisle, okay? And I picked up the Totally Awesome with bleach, okay? Really, for $1, you can't beat this stuff on the dollar aisle. And if you need it to be a little bit of extra cleaning, once you use a little bit out of it, add a little bit more bleach. And then I got something for my furry friend. Okay, these are actually on sale 2 for $6, but I only picked up one, so it's going to be $3.45. And that should give me my $30 that I need to get my 5 off 25 and my 5 off for sale. When you're doing this deal, though, I almost forgot to tell you, make sure you put up your Snuggle liquid first, because the 125 is attaching to this, and you do not want a conflicting coupon, okay? Just saying. Because they're two different coupons. So put the green one up first, and then your blue one. So we do have an order for this to be rung up. Snuggle liquid first, the Persil, green Snuggle, blue Snuggle. And that should get everything coming off like it's supposed to. So, let's head to the register. So, winner, we'll see you in the car with our total. Alrighty, guys. My out-of-pocket was literally $20 out-of-pocket. And we're getting back $6.50. 75 cents. Hold up. $6.75 is what we're getting back. Okay? In our earned money. And then we're going to use that to go get some dog food. So $6 off of 20 leaves an out of pocket of $14. So that's a winner chicken dinner. We got Persil. We got 2 Snuggle fabric softeners, 2 Snuggle beads, 2 Famous Amos cookies, some dog snacks, and some cleaning stuff off the dollar aisle. And how many items? It was a savings of $12.35 plus 6. So 8, 9, let's just say $9 more. We'll round it off to $9 more. So $21 in savings today. Yes, $21 in savings. Winner chicken dinner, guys. So, blessings, and we'll talk again real soon. Like I said, keep your eyes out for that food scenario video. It is coming up next. We also have earns on these Snuggle and Persil products on the Fetch app, guys. And if you don't have Fetch, you need Fetch, go sign up at Fetch now. This right here, this QR code, just scan it, it'll take you there. It'll get you signed up, and you'll start saving more money right away. It is a rebate app that pays you for things that you're already saving money on. And it's super simple. All you got to do is scan your receipts, and then after $3, and it doesn't take long to get that, you'll get half of that, if not more. Well, you'll get almost all of that $3 the minute you sign up. And after $3, or you can check out anytime and cash in your points to get gift cards for everything from just a plain Visa card to airline tickets. So, if you want to know how you can save towards your vacay and towards your Christmas using couponing, well, this is one of the ways.